Yes, good evening, students. Hope everyone doing good. This is the continuation of earlier video. It is I have given you nearly some 9 slides about this chapter 5. This is the 10th one, and this notes already shared with you, this PDF. And please hope you have written everything, and you please try to understand. I'm going to explain all the problems what I have written in this one. Now it is the chapter 5, continuity differentiability, problems on logarithmic differentiation. The questions which I am going to discuss, problems on logarithmic differentiation. What are the problems on logarithmic differentiation we have? See, so differentiate log x. The very first question, differentiate log x whole power sin x with respect to x. Differentiate log x whole power sin x with respect to x. First let us take, see, I told you already, log x and sin x both are variables. Log x and sin x both are variables. So variable power variable, when that is there, you will have to do for logarithmic differentiation. That means first take the given equation as y. Y is equal to log x whole power sin x. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. When you apply log on both sides, then you get log y is equal to log of log x whole power sin x. I applied log on both sides. Then after that, log y is equal to sin x will be coming before log as a coefficient. It is sin x into log of log x. Sin x into log of log x. Then next, after doing like this, what we have to do? Differentiate on both, differentiate with respect to x. When you differentiate with respect to x, what you get? See, log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx. Then apply uv rule. Sin x log x. This is u, this is v. U dash v plus uv dash. Use the formula and substitute here. See, that one I have done. Make a pause and look at it carefully. Next, okay. Then see, what is next? I have applied uv rule. When you apply uv rule, then you get the answer like the sin x derivative cos x. Log of log x will be as it is. Sin x as it is. Log of log x derivative 1 by log x into 1 by x. Chain rule should be applied. And this y from where? Because 1 by y we are sending to the right side. This is y into something, we got it. Then please simplify this and write the answer. Like this we got it. Whenever you are getting a doubt, anywhere you are getting doubt, once again make a pause and repeat it again. Like that you do it. If you make pause and look it carefully, then you will understand it. Okay. Next question. Find dy by dx if x power y is equal to y power x. Find dy by dx if x power y is equal to y power x. See the difference between the previous problem and this problem. So the previous problem is they are asking us to differentiate log x power sin x with respect to x. This problem is find dy by dx with respect to x. Find dy by dx if x power y is equal to y power x. That means here a function is given, you are asked to differentiate. Here an equation is given, from the equation we will have to find out dy by dx. This is an implicit function. What is this? Implicit function. So to do differentiate this one, we take the equation first. See, whatever the equation is given, take it first. X power y is equal to y power x. Then differentiate, apply log on both sides, because the x power y power x both are having variable power variable. Even you take x power y power x, both are having variable power variable. When variable power variable is there, the only one way, applying log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Y log x is equal to x log y, because the coefficients will be, exponents will be become a coefficients. Then apply uv rule on both sides. Differentiating on both sides, I apply uv rule. Then it is dy by dx into log x minus x by y into dy by dx is equal to log y minus y by x. See, very carefully you have to look at this step. What I did here, you have to look. This step is very important. From this step to this step, by applying uv rule we get it. Okay, on both sides I applied uv rule. If you look carefully, you will get it. Okay, the next one. Then after that I have simplified it and I have written the answer finally. Look at this very carefully. Okay, next. And this is a kind of equation, another different type of equation it is. Okay, now see what is happening here. Find dy by dx if y power x plus x power y plus x power x is equal to a power b. What is given? The equation is given, y power x plus x power y plus x power x is equal to a power b is given this. Okay, then now they are asking us to find dy by dx. Now there are three models we have discussed. Now three models. The first one is just to differentiate with respect to x. What is the first one? Differentiate with respect to x. This time you will have to take y is equal to that equation. You make the equation and find out dy by dx. And the second one is equation is given. apply log on both sides for this one, because they are single terms on left and right side. But here third one is, see, x power y plus y power x plus x power x is equal to a power b. It is sum of three functions. That time what you need to do means you cannot apply log on both sides directly. That is the wrong way of approach. When this is way, when the three functions are there like this, you take u is equal to y power x, v is equal to x power y, w is equal to x power x, then individually differentiate them and find out the du by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx. The way I have done here, you see, very carefully take the pause and very carefully see this one. See once, look, take the pause and very carefully observe these steps. Okay, look, this is by taking u is equal to y power x, applying log on both sides. Log u is equal to x log y, log u derivative 1 by u into du by dx, and uv rule here. What is that? Uv rule I applied here, then applying uv rule you get this one. Then du by dx is equal to the whatever the simplification you get now, whatever the simplification we get here, see, whatever the simplification we get here, that one we write here, then into u, this 1 by u is coming this side, then log y into y power x, because u is nothing but y power x, na, y power x. Okay, log y into y power x, x by y into dy by dx into y power x multiplied u. So x by y into y power x is y x into y power x minus 1. See, x by y into y power x will be x into y power x minus 1, because the denominator y and y power x is here, y power x minus 1, exponents and powers concept. Okay, similar way this one also same process will be done here. Okay, by taking v is equal to x power y. The next one same way, by taking w is equal to x power x, we take dw by dx, du by dx, dv by dx. All we got, see, we got du by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx, dw by dx. After getting all these things, what you do? Take the given equation now. The given equation can be written like this, because given equation is, what is the given equation? Y power x plus x power y plus x power x is equal to a power b. This I took u, v, w. So u plus v plus w is equal to a power b. So then differentiate on both sides. This equation differentiate on both sides. Du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx is equal to 0. And whatever we got now, du by dx, dv by dx, whatever we got, du by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx, substitute in this. Okay, once you substitute, then see this one, dy by dx terms are there, na? Take common dy by dx. Other terms and all you just take onto the right side. What are the other terms here? This is the first dy by dx terms, take common. Next, the other terms 1, 2, 3 terms take onto the right side with minus of. Then this factor to be sent to the denominator. This is the way we find out dy by dx. This is a very long question. Please be patient while listening. Make pauses and again you listen, you will understand it. Okay, the next question. Question number 1, 2, 3, try yourself. Exercise 5.5. Question number 1, 2, 3, you have to try yourself all the models which I have discussed in this video, earlier video. So this 1, 2, 3 you can try yourself. Now this one, x power x minus 2 power sin x, it is there. Now you take u is equal to x power x. Since x power x is variable power variable, apply log on both sides. Log u is equal to x log x, 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv rule. Okay, this is uv rule for this one. Then du by dx is equal to u into 1 plus log x. But what is u? Substitute and write it. What is u? And substitute and write it. Then that is next. Second one is what? 2 power sin x. Second one is what? 2 power sin x. V is equal to 2 power sin x. Here logarithmic differentiation is not required. dv by dx directly you can find out, because base is constant. Base is constant. 2 power sin x into log 2 sin x का derivative cos x. Chain rule is applied. So apply du by dx minus dv by dx, whatever it is, substitute those two answers what we got here. So please put your notes parallelly and see this one. Okay, x power x into 1 plus log x minus 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x, we got it. Next one. Okay, fifth question. Fifth question, it is like x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole square whole cube, x plus 5 whole power 4, all intos are there between. Okay, given equation, take it as y. Apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to given thing. Then log y is equal to all intos becomes plus because logarithm property. All exponents becomes coefficients. All exponents becomes coefficients. All intos becomes plus. Okay. Then what will happen next? Differentiate log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx, 2 by x plus 3, 3 by x plus 4, 4 by x plus 5. Derivative of log x plus 3, derivative of log x plus 4, derivative of log x plus 5 is written here. Okay. Then this 1 by y sent to the right side, then you get the answer. Okay. Next, please hold on. Okay, pause. Next, sixth question, which is given like this. Sixth question is x plus 1 by x whole power x power 1 plus 1 by x. Here also same, this is u and this is v, you take it. U is equal to this one, then start differentiating. Applying log on both sides first. Log u is equal to x log x plus 1 by x. 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv rule is applied here. This is u is equal to x, v is equal to log x plus 1 by x. Apply uv rule. Then after applying the uv rule we get like this, because 1 into uv plus x into log x plus 1 by x derivative is 1 by x plus 1 by x into x derivative is 1, this derivative is 1, and 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square applied. Okay, please do practice. You have to do lot of practice on this. Okay, then this 1 by u sending this side, u into log x square plus 1 by x plus x into x by x square plus 1, because x into this 1 x plus 1 by x simplified, x square plus 1 by x will come, that x will be going to the numerator, into x square minus 1 by x square. Then simplification will be done. This x into x and this x square will get cancelled, this one will come. Okay, then you get like this. Okay, so the same way second one, v is equal to, what is the second one? V is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by x. Apply log on both sides. Log v is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log x. Then differentiate on both sides. You get 1 by v dv by dx and 1 plus 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square into log x. 1 plus 1 by x into log x derivative is 1 by x. Same uv rule is applied here. Okay, then next dv by dx is equal to v into this. So immediately you write d by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, because the question is this one, see, u plus v. So du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, then we get the answer. I copied the answers, both du by dx, dv by dx copied here. We got this one like this. Okay, next question 7 to 9, try yourself. 10th question, this is also same like that only, but here something will happen. U is equal to x power x cos x, you take it. Log u is equal to log x power x cos x. Log u is equal to x cos x into log x, because exponent will be the coefficient, to log x. So differentiate on both sides. 1 by u du by dx is equal to x dash into cos x log x, x into cos x log x whole dash, because uv rule here. Then next what happens, see, look, u, because 1 by u going this side, 1 x dash derivative 1 cos x log x plus x into cos x log x, again uv rule, minus sin x log x plus cos x into 1 by x. Then after simplification write it, after multiplying this x here inside, then write it like this. Then u is equal to what, our u is equal to what, you substitute it, then you get the answer like this. Similar way v, for the v I wanted to do it in a different way. Don't apply logarithms and all. So look here, for the v, x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, we got it. So numerator whatever it is there, numerator x square plus 1, write it as x square minus 1 plus 2. Why only x square minus 1? The question is, what is the denominator? X square minus 1. So in the denominator format we write it x square minus 1. Okay, in the denominator x square minus 1 is there, in the numerator also in terms of x square minus 1 plus 2 I wrote it like this. Then split the fraction. Splitting the fraction means x square minus 1 by x square 1 fraction, 2 by x square minus 1 is 1 fraction, like this. Then x square minus 1 by x square minus 1 is 1, 2 by x square minus 1. Now instead of differentiating by u by v rule like this, I differentiate this one directly. Look how I am differentiating using chain rule. One derivative is 0, one derivative is 0, and 2 by x square plus minus 1 derivative is minus 2 by x square minus 1 whole square, because I have applied 1 by x derivative, minus 1 by x square na. It's 2 by x square minus 1 whole square into x square minus 1 derivative is 2x. Chain rule. Chain rule is applied. So then you get it minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. So now simply like other questions only, d by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Write the answers whatever we got it. But if you feel this way is difficult, you can try by using quotient rule, which is u by v rule. U dash v minus uv dash by v square. Then another question. It is like x cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. Okay, then how to do it? See, once you take first one, u is equal to x cos x whole power x, then log u is equal to log of x cos x whole power x. The power x becomes coefficient. Inside, whatever it is there inside, log x cos x, write as log x plus log cos x, because x into cos x. Okay, then differentiate, start differentiating. 1 by u du by dx is equal to 1 into this one, because uv rule I am doing. Then 1 into this one plus x into this one derivative is here. 1 by x plus 1 by cos x into minus sin x. How this differentiation has done, you just carefully look at this one. Wherever you are getting this kind of long simplification, long differentiation, you will have to make the pause and carefully look at it. You will get it how it is. I am applying uv rules and simplifications. Okay, chain rule also coming in between. You should know chain rule, uv rule, u by v rule, simplification, everything you should know. Before exercises, you should have the practice on these. Directly watching means it may be little difficult. So again, log x plus log cos x, log x cos x, multiply this x here inside. Then you get 1 minus x tan x. So du by dx is equal to u into log x cos x plus 1 minus x tan x. This is done. Similar way, take second one as v is equal to x sin x whole power 1 by x. Same, apply log. See the first step. 1 by x become coefficient. Log x sin x become log x plus log sin x. Then uv rule, product rule is applied here. Right, left side 1 by v dv by dx. So after product rule, simplification. Then this 1 by v sent to the right side. After that, simplification. After simplification, this 1 by v sent to the right side. Then it is become v by x square. Then this one we get it like this. 1 by x square is taken common, that's why x cot x. Okay. V by x square minus log x sin x plus 1 plus x cot x. So dv by dx it becomes like this. Du by dx plus dv by dx is the answer. Finally substitute those two answers what we got. Okay, next. This is another kind of find dy by dx. One example I explained before. If x power y plus y power x is equal to 1, take u is equal to x power y and differentiate and keep it ready. Same process. Du by dx, keep it ready. Take v is equal to y power x, apply log, simplify, differentiate, product rule, and then finally keep it. Then u plus v is given 1, so du by dx plus dv by dx is 0. Whatever du by dx we got here, du by dx, and this is dv by dx. Both you substitute in this. Okay, after substituting dy by dx, two terms are having dy by dx, take common. Then other things send on to the right side. Then dy by dx will come. Directly he will get dy by dx. Okay. Next, same way, this is also, in this one uv is not needed because cos x power y is equal to cos y power x. Directly apply log on both sides. Log cos x power y is equal to log cos y power x. So it is y log cos x is equal to x log cos y. Differentiate with respect to x with chain rules and all, uv rule and chain rule. You have to apply uv and chain rules. With the help of uv rule and chain rule, you will get the simplifications. So it is like this will come because it is y into log cos x derivative 1 by cos x into minus sin x plus dy by dx u dash v log cos x. Similarly, x derivative is 1, log cos x is as it is. Then x will be as it is. Log cos x derivative is 1 by cos x into minus sin x into dy by dx chain rule. Then after simplification it is minus y tan x because minus sin by cos is tan. Dy by dx log cos x log cos y minus x tan y, sin y by tan y, cos y is tan y into dy by dx. Then next what happened? dy by dx log cos x plus x tan y dy by dx, because this one we got it to the left hand side and this one we sent to the right hand side, plus y tan x. See, log cos y plus y tan x. Okay, next dy by dx into log cos x plus x tan y is equal to log cos y plus y tan y. So dy by dx, we got the answer. Next, see, and then the 13, 15, 16, 17, 18 question, please try yourself. Anywhere you feel that I'm going very fast, please put a remark in the YouTube while watching. If you are giving some suggestions in the YouTube, I will implement in the next video. If simply you are watching and leaving, I can't implement it. Please try to watch the video and try to give some remarks. Please give me feedback, then only I can improve myself. Okay. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good day. Thank you so much.